Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best kitchen sink and faucet combo on the market right now. It's the KRAUS Stark 33-inch dual-mount drop-in kitchen sink and pull-down commercial kitchen faucet in stainless steel. Let's unpack why this combo stands out from the rest. First off, this isn't just any sink and faucet pairing. It's a complete kitchen upgrade kit. You get the sink, the faucet, a bottom grid, drain assembly, and even water supply lines. It's all crafted from top-grade 18-gauge T304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to dents. What I love about this combo is its versatility. You can install it as a drop-in or undermount sink, making it adaptable to any kitchen setup. The sink's extra-thick deck with a beveled edge sits beautifully flush against your counter, allowing for easy wipe down straight into the basin. This isn't just a regular sink, it's engineered for efficiency. With a spacious single-bowl design, it accommodates large pots and pans effortlessly. The sloped bottom and channel grooves ensure water drains quickly, keeping your sink clean and dry. Plus, those tight radius corners not only look sleek but also make cleaning a breeze. To sum it up, if you're looking to transform your kitchen with a durable, stylish, and highly functional sink and faucet combo, the KRAUS Stark 33-inch dual-mount drop-in kitchen sink and pull-down commercial kitchen faucet should be at the top of your list. It's got everything you need in one package, from superior materials to thoughtful design. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about this combo or if there's another product you'd like me to review next. Until next time, take care and happy kitchen upgrading.